Well, of course, we're in New England and it's raining. Just as we get to the trailhead for this guy to go on a walk for today. Ooh, see, walkies, won't go for a walk. Yeah. It starts to rain, but if you look up, I mean, that kind of looks kind of menacing, but over there looks nice outside, so I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna try, see if this rain will stop. Got to get the dog out, test out the new boots, wear them in, work them in a little bit, so we're just gonna go for it. We'll get a little wet, but we'll dry off. You gonna poop right there? So we're going for it in the rain. I don't know. It might clear up, but I don't really care. I needed to get out. I needed to get some fresh air. It's not the mountains, but it's pretty thick in here. It's been raining for the past 2 weeks straight, I feel like, but before that it was 2 weeks of no rain. So we need it. It's good. It's a good thing, and yeah, as you can see, things are pretty green around here. It's like a jungle. So I'm gonna walk and let this dog get some of this energy out so he stops pulling me down this trail, and come along. Just found this little offshoot. Found this little well. Nice, so this is off the loop. We're on the loop here. The loop goes that way. And this says Blodgett Hill Summit. So maybe there'll be a view up here on top of Blodgett Hill. And maybe we'll get struck by lightning. So I think this is the summit of Blodgett Hill. So we're definitely not getting any views from up here. We're at like 1,000 feet of elevation. But we're gonna do this little loop. Nice little trail. Getting to work the solos and see how they are on slippery rock. I gotta tell you, they're kind of slippery. The soles of them are kind of slippery, but maybe those will work in. But pretty slippery. It's actually very cool in here. With the sunshine and this thunderstorm coming in, and it's got pretty good canopy, so we're hardly getting wet at all. You can hear the rain pouring. We're hardly getting wet. It's pretty cool. And the storm raging in the background is pretty cool. This way, pup. You want a drink? You want to take a drink of water?
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Raining pretty hard. You think you're ready? So it's pouring now. The dog's ready to go home. Hey, you ready to go home? Come on. I'm ready to go home. This is Horse Hill Conservation Area in Merrimack, New Hampshire. No mountains, but nice little trails. Just met a group of mountain bikers, and tons of trails like this to really get lost on, and miles and miles to have a good time. This one loop trail we just did 3 miles, so good little afternoon hike. Crappy that it had to rain, but made for a cool little experience, and we just needed to get into the woods. So please comment, like, subscribe, share. Stay tuned for more content. Subscribe. See ya.